Hey, I'm Todd. Thanks for choosing to watch my video, and if you would subscribe it, like it, all that stuff, that'd be great. Otherwise, enjoy the video, and I hope it gives you the information you need and is helpful to you. Take care. So we're looking inside a 2012 Jeep Wrangler. Just me. Inside a Jeep Wrangler. Got a poor heat, no heat issue they're complaining about. Controls work down here, hot to cold. What's interesting though, and I will tell you that the hose temperature, black hose temperature at the heater core is basically 168 and 189. So pretty good heat at the heater hoses. This vent right here on the driver's side is about 102 degrees. This one here is about 120 degrees. This one here is about 150 degrees. And the passenger side is about 165 degrees, 170 even. So, right now, an attempted fix is actually flushing the heater core. The way the heater core lays down there, maybe one end of it's plugged and the other's not. So flushing heater core is underway. Just blowing water and air through the heater core both ways. I trust your thing. So after a little bit of flushing and a test drive, 133, that's almost a 30-degree difference. So from about 101 degree to 133, so much more even now through here. So you might try flushing the heater core before just replacing it. And how about that for a temperature change from one side to the other?